China's latest anti-ship supersonic cruise missile may be coming to a theater near you soon, as has seemingly become an almost annual tradition. China used Airshow China in Zhuhai last month to unveil a new anti-ship missile. The Chaoxun CX-1 is a supersonic anti-ship cruise missile built by a subsidiary of the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation (CASC), a major Chinese space and defense company. According to CASC, the CX-1 is a two-stage ASCM with a range of up to 280 kilometers while carrying a 260 kilogram warhead. The missile also has a circular error probability of 20 meters, and high-altitude speeds of Mach 2.8 Mach 3. Initially, CASC will produce two CX-1 variants. The ship-launched CX-1A and the ground-based road-mobile CX-1B. Although the ASCM was designed primarily to target ships, it also reportedly has a second, land attack function as well. The CX-1's presence at the International Airshow strongly suggests that Beijing intends to export it. In addition, because its range is less than 300 kilometers and its payload is less than 500 kilograms, China would be able to export it without violating the Missile Technology Control Regime (MTCR). However, even if China intends to export the CX-1, it still must find buyers for the missile. Pakistan has long been the primary recipient of Chinese arms, with Islamabad purchasing some 55% of all Chinese arms exports between 2008 and 2012. This has included anti-ship missiles. For example, Pakistan is the only foreign country that operates the C-602 YJ-62, a subsonic anti-ship missile that China unveiled at Airshow China in 2006. Beyond that, the potential customer list for the CX-1 gets murky. Iran could potentially be interested, as it has relied on China for anti-ship missiles in the past. Most notably, the Iranian Navy used Chinese silkworms to target Persian Gulf oil tankers during the Iran-Iraq in the 1980s.